Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two different kinds of slimes. So I'm going to make this a fast intro. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started. The materials that you're going to need are white PVA glue, and I'm using this glue, and this is like 8 gallons and 8 ounces. So this glue, I think it's better than Elmer's. I forgot to say this one's going to be fluffy slime. You're going to need shaving cream, which is the star of the show. You're going to need some slime activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. Some substitutes are laundry detergent. I have Tide and Gain, contact lens solution, and liquid starch. You're also going to need food coloring, which is optional, a container to mix in, and something to mix with, and lotion, which is also optional. So let's get started. You're going to start off by putting in your white glue. Today I'm not going to use that much, but I'm not going to use too little. Now you're going to want to add a few pumps of lotion. This is going to help stretch it out, which is also optional. Now you're going to add your shaving cream, which is the best part. And this shaving cream is really hard to get out of the container. But remember to don't add so much. There needs to be more glue than shaving cream. Now you can add your food coloring, which is optional, and I'm going to have a blue slime. So now mix it up. During this time, I like to add a little glitter, so I'm going to add some blue glitter. And I love glitter, but I don't know if anybody else does. Well, actually, I don't love glitter, but it's kind of nice slime. So I'm going to add some glitter, and I'm going to mix it up. Now that it's all mixed up, you're going to want to start adding your slime activator. You're going to want to put 1 teaspoon at a time of borax, and once you start mixing it up, you should start seeing your slime to get clumpier and get like all sticky together. And if you have Tide or Gain, you can go ahead and use that too. Once your slime is like this, you can start kneading it with your hands. Here it is. This is really, really fluffy, and I love the slime. Hear that popping noise. Now we're going to be making some bubbly, crunchy slime. Not crunchy, but really bubbly slime, so let's get started. You're going to need almost the same material, so what you're going to do first is put in your white glue. I want this to be kind of a big batch. I still have a lot of glue left. Then you're going to want to put a little bit of shaving cream. You don't want so much because then you're going to add something else that makes it fluffy. So don't add too much. You don't need to put any shaving cream, but I'm going to. For this, you will need, this is not optional, you need to have foaming hand soap. And I want this to be super duper bubbly, so I'm going to add a lot of pumps. And now for food coloring. Now you're going to want to start adding your slime activator. If your slime happens to become too watery, you can add more glue. If it's too sticky and it's kind of taking long to become non-sticky with the borax, you can add a little bit of Tide or Gain. I'm using Tide since Tide is clear and I'm running out of it, and my Gain is brand new, so I'm just going to use Tide. And it should help a little bit more faster. And then once you, it's like this, you can start kneading it. Here it is when it's done from the mixing bowl. If it's still kind of sticky like mine is, you can add more borax or more of your slime activator. But I think mine is okay. It was just that one time. This is an example of how it should be after a few days. I don't think you guys can really hear the crunch and the bubbles, but there is bubbles in there and it's really satisfying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!